5-minute meditation for beginners. Make yourself comfortable, whether that's seated or lying down, and gently close down your eyes. To help reduce any distractions, bring your focus and awareness to this present moment. There are several goals with meditation. One of them is to relax and calm the body and the mind. The other is to become more consciously aware of how your mind wanders, how your mind works, your stream of consciousness. If you can change your thoughts, you can change your reality. You can change how you feel. And you can truly bring anything that you desire into your physical reality. After all, your thoughts influence your emotions, and your emotions influence your behavior. In this meditation, you will 1, feel relaxed, and 2, you will become more consciously aware of the here and now. Focus your attention on the rise and fall of your chest. And if it helps, place your hand on your chest. Make that physical contact with the movement of your hand, up and down. Good. Did you find that your mind wandered or jumped from topic to topic? Or you got lost in thought rather than the rising and fall of your chest? If so, that's perfectly normal. You see, your attention takes practice. Relaxing takes practice. Now, bring your conscious awareness to the sound of the music. Breathe fully and deeply, and exhale. Very well. Another major component of meditation is visualization. Anything in this world started with an idea in someone's mind. Your current reality is a result of your thoughts and what you saw in your mind's eye. So right now I want you to visualize a beautiful, relaxing lavender energy coming in through the top of your head and making its way all the way down to the tips of your toes. And as this energy moves throughout your body, you become fully relaxed. Wonderful. Today, anytime you begin to feel tenseness, tightness, stress, I want you to imagine this lavender energy making its way throughout your body. Now come back to this meditation every day. Put it into your routine, same time, same place, and watch your life unfold in a way that seems almost magical. Too good to be true. That's the power of meditation. And I will see you tomorrow for our next practice.